Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Feeds gallery problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first just go to settings and then go to apps and then apps again, and after that just type Feeds, click on it and click force stop, then go to permissions, go to storage, make sure to allow storage, maybe you'll find it like that, click allow and go back. After that go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.